With the continuous development of industrial technology, the industrial 3-in-1 laser welding machine has become one of the important pieces of equipment for modern industrial manufacturing. This equipment has three functions: welding, cleaning, and cutting, which can greatly improve industrial production efficiency and reduce production costs. Firstly, the welding function of laser welding machines is its most basic function. By heating and melting workpieces with high-intensity laser beams, heat conduction occurs between metal materials, thus achieving the purpose of welding. Compared with traditional welding methods, laser welding has the advantages of high precision, high efficiency, and high reliability, and can achieve the welding of various metal materials, such as stainless steel, aluminum alloy, titanium alloy, etc. Secondly, the cleaning function of laser welding machines is another important function. Through laser cleaning, impurities such as dirt and oxides are removed. This not only improves the surface quality of the workpiece, but also extends its service life. Finally, the cutting function of laser welding machines is also one of its important applications. Through a handheld laser cutting head, it is possible to achieve simple cutting of various metal plate materials, such as aluminum, iron, copper, stainless steel, etc. This cutting method has the advantages of fast cutting speed in no heat-affected zone, and can meet the needs of various industrial productions. In summary, the industrial 3-in-1 laser welding machine is an efficient and reliable industrial manufacturing equipment with three functions: welding, cleaning, and cutting, which can meet the needs of various industrial productions. With the continuous development of laser technology, the application scope of laser welding machines is also expanding, which will bring broader development prospects for the industrial manufacturing industry. Thanks for watching the video we shared. Remember, give us a like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.